Good day, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. This is the crazy dude, Dr. Nandy, who solves all kinds of math problems. But maybe you don't know, I have uploaded also all kinds of interesting short travel videos. When you get a chance, please take a look. Hey, that may be a good break from math problem. A lot of people complain to me, math is very difficult. Yeah, I realize that, but if you know what you are doing, if you know the steps, correct steps you have to take to solve a problem, math problem, it is not that bad. So I'm solving these problems so that you can refer to them if you have any question on how to solve them correctly. So here I go. Says find the volume of a sphere with radius 10 centimeter. So formula for volume of a sphere, let me write it here. Solution. Formula for volume of a sphere. V. V is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed, where pi is equal to 3.14. So volume is equal to 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 3.14, or maybe I should write this in a correct way. So I should write 3.14 for pi multiplied by r is 10 centimeter cubed. So it becomes the unit of volume here is centimeter cubed. So volume is equal to, let me see, I've done the calculations before, is 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3 centimeter cubed, and it finally works out to 4186.67 centimeter cubed. Okay, so basically I plugged in the value of pi equal to 3.14 and used the formula for volume of a solid, sphere, which is 4 times pi times r cubed divided by 3. And for pi, I use 3.14, which is a standard value. And remember to cubed the radius. Here, the radius is 10 centimeters. So the unit of the volume will be in centimeter cubed. And if you work out the numbers, it works out to 4186.67 centimeter cubed. I stop here today. I know you may have still have some questions. Hey, don't hesitate. Just shoot me a question in the comments area. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And please do not forget to check me out tomorrow when I'll be back with another interesting problem. Hey, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you later.